Everyone thinks the best-selling disco ball lamps are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Luditech 2-pack disco lights. We have the Luditech 2-pack sound-activated party lights. Priced at just $16.99, this set caught my attention because it delivers 2 lights in one package, which is a great deal for a party. If you want vibrant, colorful lighting that dances to the music, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Luditech lights feature 3 sound-activated modes and a whopping 7 lighting effects. This means they can change color and speed based on the rhythm of your favorite tracks. Imagine a dance floor lighting up in red, green, and blue, creating an atmosphere that makes you want to move. Plus, they're super easy to use. Just plug them in and let the fun begin. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap as they are made of plastic. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's not a deal breaker. If you're looking for something portable and affordable for casual parties, these lights still deliver a fantastic experience. This is perfect for you if you're planning casual gatherings or need budget-friendly options for events. Skip this one if you want high-end professional lighting setups. For the value, you can't beat 2 lights for under $20.
Product number 2, OEZero DJ Disco Light. We have the OEZero DJ Disco Light, priced at $39.88. What grabbed my attention here is its upgraded 3-in-1 design that creates a truly dynamic light show. If you want a more professional feel at your parties, this one is worth checking out. This product features a combination of red and green dual lens pattern lights, RGB disco ball lights, and 7 color background lights. Essentially, you're getting multiple lighting effects in one device. This matters because it means your party can adapt to various music styles. Whether it's a chill vibe or a high-energy dance session, this light can keep up. Plus, it can illuminate spaces up to 600 square feet, which is great for larger gatherings. However, some users noted that the remote control can be a bit finicky. I'll be real with you, that can be frustrating when you just want to switch modes quickly. But overall, if you're committed to creating the perfect party atmosphere, this light's performance outweighs that inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you host big celebrations or enjoy entertaining often. Skip this one if you want something more compact or if your gatherings are typically small. The price is fair for what you get, especially considering the range of effects. Product number 3, Yreem Mini Disco Ball Light. Let's talk about the Yreem Mini Disco Ball Light, which is a steal at $7.99. This caught my eye for its portability and ease of use. If you want something that you can take anywhere and still create a fun vibe, this is worth your attention. This mini light has a built-in sound sensor that activates the light based on sound, making it perfect for spontaneous dance parties. What's cool is that it's battery operated, so you can use it anywhere without worrying about finding an outlet. You can expect about 2.5 hours of flashing fun on a single charge, which is pretty decent for its size. Plus, it comes with a magnetic base, allowing you to stick it anywhere you like. But here's the catch. Because it's so small, it's not going to cover large areas effectively. If you're planning a huge party, this might leave you wanting more. However, for intimate gatherings or as an added effect to a larger setup, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need portable lighting for small parties or fun decorations. Skip this one if you're looking to light up a big room. Honestly, at this price, it's hard to go wrong. Product number 4, Spoobula Disco Ball Light, which retails for $44.09. I was drawn to this one because it combines multiple lighting effects for a vibrant dance experience. If you want an all-in-one light that can handle various party types, this might be your best bet. This light features a combination of disco ball lights, ocean lights, and strobe effects. The variety here means you can create a totally different atmosphere depending on the mood you want. This is crucial for events where you want the energy to shift throughout the night. Plus, it has a wide illumination range of over 600 feet, making it ideal for larger gatherings. Now, some users mention that the setup could be a bit cumbersome since it comes with a lot of options to configure. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little time to learn the controls, the payoff is a killer light show. This is perfect for you if you regularly host parties or events where you want to impress guests. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward, simple lighting. It's a solid investment for those who want to elevate their parties. Product number 5, Spoobula Party Lights.
We have another option from Spoobula, priced at just $9.99. This model is super compact and user-friendly. If you want something easy to set up without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This disco light offers various working modes that you can control with a remote. It's sound activated, meaning it reacts to the music, which is a must-have for a fun atmosphere. You can easily place it on a table or mount it on a wall, making it extremely versatile for different spaces. Plus, it's designed to be energy efficient, so you won't have to worry about high electricity bills. However, some users reported that the brightness isn't as strong as larger models. Honestly, if you're looking for something to light up a big room, this might not cut it. But for smaller gatherings or as an accent light, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option for smaller parties or events at home. Skip this one if you need something powerful to fill a large space. At this price, it's a fun little addition to your party arsenal.
We've covered the Logitech 2-pack for budget-friendly fun, the OIEZ Isro DJ Light for a pro touch, the portable Renum for on-the-go parties, the feature-rich Spoobula Disco Ball for versatility, and the compact Spoobula Party Lights for easy setups. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a disco ball lamp here for you.